Ever spent hours dragging formulas down row after row in Excel? Stop right there. Excel's new BYROW function does all the hard work for you in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly apply calculations across rows without manual copy-paste or dragging formulas. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our dataset. In column A, employee name. Column B to F, monthly sales. Now let's calculate the average sales for each employee row using BYROW. Click on cell H2 and type this formula. First equals BYROW. When the function appears, press Tab. Next, select the range B2 to F15. This is our data range, the sales numbers for all employees. Then, we add a comma and write lambda. Open parenthesis, row. Then average, row. Close the parenthesis. Lambda lets us define a custom function for each row. Here, row is just a placeholder. It represents one row at a time from the range. And average row means, take that row and calculate the average. So this tells Excel, go row by row, and for each row, calculate the average of its values. Now, press Enter. And just like that, Excel instantly gives us the average sales per employee. No dragging formulas needed. Let's say instead of average, we want the total sales per employee. Type this formula in I2. Press Enter. Now each row shows total sales across the 5 months. Quick, neat, and super efficient. You can swap average or sum with any function, like maximum, minimum, or even your own custom lambda formulas. That means BYROW can handle advanced calculations across rows without ever needing helper columns. And that's it. Which function do you use most? Sum, average, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.